Hey friends, welcome back to Dollhouse Diaries. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing these two Barbies that I purchased, one from Amazon and the other one was from Facebook Marketplace. So let's get started. Up we have this You Can Be Anything Girl Power Barbie. She comes with all these accessories that you can see here, so we're going to unbox her and just have a look. So here she is out of the box. First thing I noticed with her is that she does have some articulation on her body, but is very limited. I noticed that some of the Made to Move Barbies have it where you can have all sorts of movement throughout the body, but this one seems to have limited movement, but still can move. It's just not as articulated as other Barbies. So first thing you can see is she can move her head, which is great. Her arms do move, her elbow moves, and her wrist moves. But, whoops, she does not have any movement on her mid-torso, so it is just not, you can't move that, but you can move her legs and you can move at the knees, but you cannot move her at the ankles. She does come with this little watch as well as this weight attached to her hand and the sneakers. On her back, she does have the top that does Velcro in the back, and then the pants do not. They have like a stretchy material to them, so you can slide them off easily, and then the Velcro in the back for the top. She does come with this duffel bag that has a slit opening up top. It is all plastic, and it has like an embossed or a raised detail to it on the front and the back, which I think looks really cool. She also came with this little yoga mat that has a plastic clip to hold it together. You can unclip it and roll it out. She also comes with this ring that I believe is like a hula hoop or a yoga ring. She also comes with another one of these little bells, those dumbbells, which makes it a set, as well as these little tiny purple bells, which is hard to kind of see on camera. She also has a little water bottle and this little paper protein bar, which to be honest I'm not a fan of, and I'm going to wind up DIYing my own version of this just so Barbie can have variety. And last is this little puppy with the other weight attached to it. I have to be honest, I am not a fan of the puppies or the dog versions of these dolls because they're a little too cartoony for me. I just feel like this is very cartoonish and not at all what I would use in my diorama, but I would probably keep it and just have it as props in the background. The second one we're going to be unboxing is this You Can Be Anything Barbie Boxer. So I am excited to be opening this one. So right away with this Barbie, I noticed that she does have more articulation in her arms and her elbows, her wrist, her torso, her face, her legs, her hips, her knees, and her feet. They all move, which is awesome. She does come with a little boxer short, some pink, what looks like pink boxing shoes, the boxing gloves. The top does have a Velcro closure, and the waist of the pants are like a stretchy elastic, so they'll slide off easily. Overall, I think these Barbies are very pretty. As far as accessories, she did not have any accessories. It was just the Barbie with the gloves and the boots. I think these Barbies make a great addition to my collection. I really think they're so unique and so pretty. I cannot wait to use them in my storyboard, and I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please make sure to leave me a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so yet, I would love it if you subscribe and also click on the notification bell so you don't miss the video. Until next time guys, I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!